Hey guys, what's up? It is Sean here bringing you guys another SWR video, and in today's video we'll be looking at a particularly interesting pattern that has been picking up over the past two model runs and also has possibly been picked up by another model. So let's see right now. But first, before we do that, we should do a brief overview of what to expect over the next few days. So here we are with tropical tidbits. And as you can see, when we move this along, rain and showers should be persistent over the northeast over the next day and a half to 2 days before it dries out and brings us down with that cold stretch, along with this little coastal disturbance that will have minor impacts on the Outer Banks region. And then Nova Scotia could get snow from it, but that brings down cold air along with the high pressure system that then gets forced back up by a clipper storm, and then this is where the magic happens. So we have this clipper storm, and then we also have a hurricane in the southeast on November 8th. Remember how we were talking about this in one of my previous shorts videos? That thing comes up, and then here we are. This is what's really intriguing me. We have cold air in place in the northeast, and we have the storm that has a pretty well-defined nor'easter track, and when we move this along, it looks like a blockbuster nor'easter with pretty good amounts of snowfalls too, with a pretty big area with at least 8 inches of snow. Then when we move this along, so and this has been picked up on the 6Z model too. If we go to the radar, we can see when we move this back, it's not as major, but it's more off coast, but it has the same setup. It starts off down here in Alabama, but then rides up the coast. So it has like the same sort of setup, and when we look at snowfall totals for here, it's a more defined, it's lesser snowfall for the US, but it's more coastal, if you know what I mean. It's like, it's less snowfall, like it's not as impressive snowfall totals, but it's more widespread in a sense, because when we move this back, we can see pretty much every coastal area gets some snow. So now we're going to look at pivotal weather, which just has another model that could be picking up on this. And when we look at this, we can see, so this is the GFS model just on pivotal weather, which is a bit better. We can see we do have that little offshore area, but then this has it being more of a coastal storm with it more out to sea. And then when we look at snowfall for here, this is what is really showing me the potential of the storm. So first here, and I'm going to change the region real quick so that we get a better view of it. When we move this along to where this storm would be, which would be right about now, we can see pretty widespread 7 inches plus, even for more of those southern areas in like Bucks County, Philadelphia County, even into Toms River, you could see 6-7 inches. And then when we get down here to West Virginia and the Appalachian Mountains, we can see widespread 15 inches plus. Then if we look at the Cuchera sometimes overdoes the snowfall totals, but this time it looks like it's not shown as strong of snowfall totals. So if we were to trust this, which I don't completely trust yet, let me go back to the 6C. And if we go to total snowfall again and go up to where it is, we can see this is shown like no snow for any of these southern regions and having it. Oh, there we go. This is actually showing some pretty good snowfall totals for those coastal regions with 3-4 inches widespread along the coast. Even in southern New Jersey, you could get an inch or two. It's shown. Again, this is what would be 2 weeks out from now, so we can't completely lock this in yet. But put hashtag locking it in if you want this storm to happen in the comments. And then a quick thing, I do want to look at the CFS model if it will allow me, which it does. So do want to look at when this time frame is. So it's like right here. It's not doing the, it's glitching out on me because there are these white boxes everywhere, so we won't be able to, we can kind of get an estimate for what it should be. It's shown it as a, that's still not it. It's shown it as being a more northern storm, as it taking like an outer path to it. So we'll wait and see how this plays out. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check out my shorts video, which I've been uploading every day. They're getting a lot of views, so make sure to continue liking them, and make sure that you are subscribed, as 70% of the people that have been watching my videos recently are not subscribed. So make sure you do subscribe, because it helps out YouTube's algorithm. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, everyone.